Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for Friday the 6th of May. And today we've had some interesting news come out. FOMC member came out and spoke. We had U.S. non-farm employment change, or NFP people call it. Came in at 244,000. Forecast was 185 and prior was 221. So much bullish than expected. Unemployment rate came out at 9% versus 8.8 and a prior of 8.8. I kind of believe it's above 9 o'clock anyway. The government's kind of just doing some number trickery. So I don't think that really matters that much. Average hourly earnings are down a little bit, 0.1% versus prior and forecast of 0.2. That's not really a big deal. The NFP number is a big one, and that beat by a wide margin. And that's why you see everything up right now. At 10 o'clock, there's another FOMC member speaking. Probably won't have any bearing on the market unless his comments coincide with NFP. And then 3 o'clock, consumer credit comes out. Consumer credit, looking for 5.2 billion versus a prior of 7.6. I don't think that's going to be that big either. This is the big number, and any news that comes out that coincides with it is probably going to be important news that people are going to pay attention to. So, watch what this guy says at 10 o'clock. As if it coincides with it, which there's a good chance that it will. Just because it came out today. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. And right now, this is the chart that I'm watching. And, I have a daily on here because we don't have a daily close. None of the daily closes overlap. And that's what I look at. So that's why I still have it labeled a 1, 2, 3 pattern, because none of the daily closes overlap. A lot of people do use Elliott wave differently, if the shadows overlap, or it doesn't really matter to me. I do my own thing, and I trade my own way. I don't really pay attention to too many other people. Maybe they're right, maybe I'm right, this and that. But, this is the count that I'm watching, and the way that we'll see if this candle closes above this red line, that will be a good sign. And especially if it closes above this line here, 49 even, we're going to say. If it closes above 49 even, then we should be pretty good. And, we eventually want to see a move higher. So maybe above 49, above into the 60s we want to see going into next week. So, that's what I'm looking for. And we'll have to, obviously wait and see what happens. But 49 even right now, that's 2.5 points higher. Well, 2.25, 2.5. It's fluctuating right now. But anyway, above that is what I'm looking for. It came down yesterday. The level, it broke it by a couple ticks, and definitely took off higher from there, which is always a good sign. So that is what I'm looking for. We'll have to wait and see what happens. And, this would be a wave 4, and then it would, buy up much, much higher from here. So that is what I'm looking for. We have to wait and see what happens from there. Thanks for everybody who's watching this video. If you do enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. I would definitely appreciate that. Everyone have an awesome Friday. I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.